It all started with one guy driving by. The cemetery wasn't in the normal shape it had been, and came in and said, hey, something's got to be going on with the city. So we contacted the city parks manager and asked if their situation had changed, and obviously it had, and we said, how can we help?
We didn't know what was going to happen with the budget, with the sales tax numbers, with things being kind of shut down. We weren't able to hire the seasonal workers. So actually David from RDO called and offered some help. So by all means, we accepted the help, and here we are today.
We just got the ball rolling. He said, when can you do it? And I said, next week, let's get her going. I said, I'll get the equipment and the manpower to round it up and give you a week with 3 mowers, so you get 8 hours every day. And also, if you need any mowing, the trimming, or anything like that, we'd definitely be willing to help with that.
We've always been a store partnering. We love to get out in the community and do service, and there couldn't have been a better time to do it or a better place to do it.
It's so neat to hear, but it's exactly how it happens time after time. Somebody on the team sees something in the community, they raise their hand, they say, hey, I think we could help with this, and off the team goes and takes part in supporting the community, and it's just great.
It's been nice that they can come now and take care of that for us and volunteer. You know, we just said, hey, this is the area I want you to mow, and they just did it.
I've been here 7 years and have been so impressed with the leadership of this company and our core values and the way we are always partnering. The company allows us 8 hours a year per person to go do that, and we try to utilize that to its fullest.
This cemetery is 70 acres, so you just think about the volume of grass out here, and it's very important that this gets well respected, is well kept. I mean, this is where people come to pay their respects and remember their family, and so being able to support them and do that. It is millions of acres that we cover as a company, but we do it acre by acre every day.